Hi, I'm Aaron Marcus, and if you're watching this on YouTube, welcome to my Acting and Modeling Tips channel. If you're watching this elsewhere, feel free to go to youtube.com/how-to-model, and you can sign up, and you can also hit the notification button, and that way, every time I post new videos there, it will automatically notify you. So let me tell you what I want to talk about today really quickly. It's kind of like, is something out there trying to get us, or are we just feeling paranoid? Look, I've been in this industry for over 30 years. That's how I've been making my living as an actor, and also I get commercial modeling, commercial print work. And it's funny how this can happen sometimes, and I'll share with you a real experience. So my son is getting married pretty soon, and for whatever reason, there have been 4 jobs that have come up, and in order for me to take the job, I would have to be available the day of his wedding. And I decided, you know what, I really want to be at the wedding. So I've had to turn down 4 jobs. It's crazy. You know, sometimes, you can go a week and go a couple weeks, no jobs, and then boom, all of a sudden, 4 things pop up and you're not available. Look, those things happen all the time for us in the industry. And just so you know, sometimes the reverse happens as well, where all of a sudden jobs start popping up and they are spaced out so perfectly that you can do them all. I've even had situations where I've had 2 bookings on the same day, and I've been able to work them out where I could do one thing in the morning, one thing later in the day. So I know sometimes we feel like we've been cursed or something. We've got some bad luck going on, and we get bookings that we simply can't do because we're already obligated, or things we already have planned. Sometimes that stuff happens. So just understand, it happens to everybody. Don't kick yourself. Don't feel miserable, because like with everything else, it works itself out, and you will find that there will be plenty of times where things are spaced out enough so that you can take on all the work that you get. And yeah, I'd love to hear any of your experiences around this, so please leave a comment below. You can also go to my facebook.com/how-to-model page and leave a comment there. And if you have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me at howtoactandmodel.com. Actually, when you go there and sign up, you get 3 incredible videos that will be really, really helpful to you. But don't forget, if you are watching this on my YouTube channel, make sure that you hit the notifications button, and also that you subscribe. I'm Aaron Marcus, and I can't wait to talk with you again soon.